Alright guys, today I'm doing a review on Dorset cereals. We're going to do a quick taste test. This was on sale, so it's a Nutty Muesli, and it's, take a look at the ingredients. Let's take a look right here. If you guys want to read that, pause it. So 13 grams of sugar. And let's see what is inside. You guys can read that. We got flame raisins, oats, malted wheat flakes, and you got some barley, so it is not gluten-free, and some almonds. Yeah, let's do a quick taste test. Let's open this up. So this is what it looks like, guys, right there. You guys can zoom in on that for you. So, let's open this up. We'll do a quick taste test of what it tastes like right there. Well, the oat flakes are crunchy and crispy. The sweetness really comes just from the raisins. You don't really taste the sweetness in the flakes at all. So, definitely check it out. If you have any questions or comments, guys, post them below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.